Starting a virtual bookkeeping business with no experience may seem daunting, but it's very doable with the right preparation and mindset. Here are some tips to get you going. Mindset. First, come at this with an open and positive mindset. Remind yourself that everyone has to start somewhere, and that with dedication and hard work, you can gain the skills and experience needed to become a successful virtual bookkeeper. Be patient with yourself as you learn new concepts and skills. Celebrate small wins and milestones along the way. Education. While experience is important, education gives you the foundation you need to understand bookkeeping principles and practices. Consider taking an introductory bookkeeping course at a local college or online. This will teach you about debits and credits, the accounting equation, financial statements, and more. The American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers offers credentialing exams that can enhance your skills and credibility. Software skills. Most virtual bookkeeping work involves using accounting software programs. Take time to become proficient with a program like QuickBooks Online, as this is a common platform used by small businesses. Watch tutorial videos, take online courses, and experiment with a trial account. Having software skills will make you more marketable to potential clients. Network and research. Reach out to other virtual bookkeepers through LinkedIn groups, Facebook pages, and forums to connect and learn from peers. Follow industry thought leaders on blogs and social media. Immerse yourself in the world of bookkeeping and soak up as much knowledge as you can. This will constantly expose you to best practices and new learnings. Develop a niche. Rather than be a generalist, consider developing a niche around a specific industry like healthcare, e-commerce, construction, etc. You can tailor your education and marketing around that niche to attract ideal clients. Your specialized knowledge will be a competitive advantage over other bookkeepers without that focus. Find a mentor. A bookkeeping mentor can be invaluable when starting out. Someone with years of experience can guide you, answer questions, look over your work, and hold you accountable along the way. You may find a willing mentor through industry message boards or small business organizations. Create a website. A professional website that outlines your services, showcases your personality and values, and demonstrates your knowledge presents you as trustworthy to potential new clients. Integrate a way for prospects to contact you directly through the site. Offer introductory rates. To attract your first clients and build a portfolio, consider offering discounted hourly rates or introductory packages. Be upfront that you are building your business and looking for opportunities to learn. Many business owners will be willing to take a chance with lower rates. Leverage your network. Don't be shy about letting friends, family, past colleagues, and classmates know that you are offering bookkeeping services. Word of mouth marketing can go a long way, especially when coming from a trusted source. Offer them a special rate on your services for being a referral. Do some pro bono work. Consider reaching out to a couple very small nonprofit organizations and offering them a few hours a week of pro bono virtual bookkeeping to build your portfolio and experience. The small commitment lets you practice your skills for a good cause. Join local business groups. Look for opportunities to get involved with organizations like the Chamber of Commerce, industry-specific networking events, small business masterminds, and more. Introduce yourself and what services you offer. Getting to know business owners is a good way to find clients. Market yourself. Create social media profiles showcasing your bookkeeping business and expertise. Post regularly about industry topics, small business tips, etc. to build your credibility and online presence. Run Google and Facebook ads promoting your services and targeting local small business owners. Keep learning. Sign up for industry newsletters, podcasts, and webinars to keep building your skills after you land your first clients. Continue taking CE courses for new credentials. The bookkeeping world is constantly evolving, so you want to stay on top of trends and technologies. Stay organized. Organization is key when managing multiple client books and records virtually. Invest in project management software, create checklists, and develop consistent processes and systems to keep everything running smoothly. Document your workflows so clients understand what to expect. Deliver great service. Go above and beyond for your first clients to get positive reviews and referrals. Be responsive, meet deadlines, communicate frequently, and take an active interest in their business's success. Ask for feedback on your services so you can improve. Success will snowball from there. Starting a virtual bookkeeping business without experience takes dedication but is very feasible. With preparation, education, marketing, and grit, you can steadily gain the expertise and reputation needed to build a thriving and rewarding business. Stay patient, positive, and committed to providing top-notch service, and your hard work will pay off. You've got this.